As a property manager, you already know that replacing kitchen and bathroom components takes a long time and can be very expensive. Depending on the quality of the handyman or contractor you hire, it could take even longer. Construction noise can be a problem for existing residents too. But there's a better way. Refinishing tubs, tile, sinks, and countertops is fast and cost-effective. Also known as resurfacing and reglazing, smart managers are saving up to 80% over replacement. And you'll also save time, because refinishing takes mere hours instead of weeks or even months to complete. So your kitchens and bathrooms will look brand new for only a fraction of the time and cost of replacing them. That's why you can fill your vacancies faster with this high-quality kitchen and bathroom refinishing service. Call us at 479-226-0703 for a free on-site price quote. Thanks for watching.